I've got the OnePlus 13 and I'll be showing you how to check Wi-Fi data usage. So how much of Wi-Fi data your phone is actually consuming. So to check that, make sure you go to settings. Under settings, go to Wi-Fi. And then under Wi-Fi, tap on the three dot button in the top right corner and select more settings. And then tap on Wi-Fi data usage. And then here you can see how much of Wi-Fi data your phone is actually using. And you can see in form of a graph on specific days. You can tap on any day, you can see the date and how much data or Wi-Fi data you use that day. You can even break this down in terms of apps. So if you tap on data usage by app, you can see a list of all the apps and how much each app has used of Wi-Fi data. So that's how to check that. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a like, possibly even subscribe for more tips. I'd really appreciate that. And I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.